Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
And I'm Jennifer.
And it's playoff time.
That's right, the Super Bowl is just around the corner, and we have 3 fabulous hot dips for your Super Bowl party, and we're going to show you right now.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's get started. Woo!
The first recipe is hot buffalo chicken dip.
And we had somebody request that, right?
Yes, we did. She even wrote it down for me.
Okay.
She wanted to make sure that we did this.
You were at a restaurant, and,
yes.
and she stopped her. She says, you've got to do that recipe. So we're going to do it for you today, and we've got our little dish here all ready to go. We've got a little bit of Pam in the bottom of it, and we've got 2 cups of shredded chicken, and we've already added some green chilies, like 3 tablespoons of green chilies, and some salt and pepper in it. And so we're going to add that in. We've got 8 ounces of cream cheese that's already been softened. And we're going to add that in. And we've got 2 cups of
shredded mozzarella.
Shredded mozzarella.
Now I love this kind of cheese. On anything.
And then we've got a 1/4 cup of white cheddar. Look how easy she just dumps that in there. This is a tough job. Don't try this at home.
I don't try any of it. Yes, it seems that way, but I do cook. You wouldn't believe it, but I do cook.
She does cook.
I do cook.
Occasionally.
Yeah.
When the mood strikes her.
Yeah, when it's mood strikes.
Or when I make her.
Or when we do cooking shows.
Yeah. So we're going to mix all that together. I've got a 1/4 cup of sour cream. So while she's mixing that up, I've got in here a 1/2 cup of hot sauce that we're using. I like Pete's hot sauce, but you can use buffalo sauce, whichever hot sauce you prefer. I like this one. So we're going to just pour that all the way around in there. That's what gives it that pretty color.
Isn't it pretty?
It is pretty. And I've got some blue cheese here. We've got a 1/4 cup of blue cheese, crumbled blue cheese. And that's going to melt in there and give it that true buffalo flavor. I've got 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm going to go ahead and put this right on in here.
And that's the way I like to cook. Just put it right on in there.
Put it right on in there and let the oven do its job.
Yes.
And then I've got 2 tablespoons of green onions chopped. We're going to put all that in there.
Look at that.
Isn't that pretty?
Mm-hmm.
It already smells delicious. We're going to make sure this is completely mixed up. And we're going to set it aside, and we're going to put it in the oven along with our next dip that we're going to show you.
For our second hot dip,
we have a hot BLT dip.
You know that's going to be good.
Oh, yeah, because we like bacon. Southern girls love bacon.
Of course.
It's in everything.
Bacon, bacon, bacon.
Okay, so we've got a pound of bacon.
Yep, pound of bacon.
And we've already got that chopped up.
Yes.
And then we've got
1 little piece. 1.5 cups of
sharp shredded. I can't. That's easy for me to say.
Yeah, sharp.
1.5 cups of sharp shredded cheddar cheese. I can't talk today.
Really?
Really. Don't make fun of me. It's been a long week.
Okay, 8 ounces of cream cheese.
Softened cream cheese. Mm-hmm. Okay.
And 1 cup of mayonnaise.
1 cup of mayonnaise.
It's getting good.
These are so easy to do. You know, you can just whip these together. You got people coming over for the game. This is a cup of sour cream. And, you know, have some yummy stuff for everybody. This is a whole tomato chopped up. We're just going to put that in there. And
last but not least,
our wonderful, yummy, tasty green onions. This is a 1/4 cup of green onions chopped. And Sheila's going to mix that all up, and we're going to get all that ready to go in the oven, along with our other dip. And what's great is you can put both of these in at the same time. So they're all going to cook on the same temperature. We have it preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to put all these dips in at the same time so they'll all be ready to go. And then we're going to transfer them into our crock pots.
It's going to be good.
Gonna be great.
Now we're on our number 3 hot dips.
And this time we're going to do a favorite. This is hot spinach artichoke dip. And so we've got 11 ounces of spinach, which we've already got drained, and it's thawed out.
And if you wonder what color this is, it's green.
Very, very green.
Very green.
And then we've got our artichoke hearts, which you can get those in a jar, and this is about a half a cup.
Got that?
Of artichoke hearts, and you'll want to break those up a little bit because they kind of stick together. And you're gonna want to make sure that you drain those artichoke hearts.
Really good.
And yeah, make sure they're already drained before when you pull them out of the jar and put them in here. And then we've got a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Look at you. Just
Yeah.
see how good she is.
Slapping this thing together.
And I'm just going to add a little 1/2 teaspoon of some minced garlic in there because you just got to have garlic.
It goes a long way, but it's good.
And you want to thoroughly mix all that together. If they have it in a
Good.
restaurant, I'm usually ordering it. And then the final ingredient, we're going to add some grated Parmesan cheese. And this is about a 1/2 cup. Now you could use shredded if you'd like, but I'm going to do the grated just so it's already...
Grated?
Just so it's already grated. So it's already fine and ready to melt down. So it's already grated. Yeah, we don't have any fun here. All right, we're gonna mix this up and get these ready to go in the oven.
In the oven.
In the oven.
Now we're back with 3 yummy hot dips.
And we've got our spinach dip, our spinach artichoke dip. We've got our buffalo chicken dip. And we have our hot BLT dip, and it looks so good.
It does.
And we've got our little football tray here with crackers and chips and little pieces of bread, or you could use baguettes, or you could use celery, whatever you want to do, and you could just dip in. So grab what you want, Sheila.
And we also have our little football.
And we have our footballs. Yeah, go Titans. Yeah,
I think
Tennessee
so,
Titans. You're gonna do a scoop. I'm gonna try this buffalo chicken here. This is.
You know me and bacon. I'm gonna try bacon.
You gonna try bacon?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try it out.
Here we go.
Ready.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. So much flavor. Mm-hmm. Now, we have it in our little crock pot here, but if you got a little warmer or some other kind of warmer, but you want to keep this warm for your party.
Oh, a cracker.
Try that. That is delicious. Very good. The hot buffalo chicken.
That's the one that lady wanted.
It's good. It's hot, but it's not so hot that you can't stand it. I mean, it's just perfect. It's like eating, hot buffalo chicken wings. So, yes, I'm going to try some of the spinach dip too. Spinach artichoke. Very good. Well, we're ready for our Super Bowl party, aren't we? If you got a party, you're going to want to do some of these dips because these are delicious. Well, we hope you enjoy this as much as we do. Thanks again for liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us on Facebook,
Twitter,
and Instagram. And visit Miss Sheila's Shotgun Red on Facebook. And don't forget to join our free membership because we have a lot of exciting things coming up. And we want to share them with you. And if you join our membership, you'll hear about them first.
And we are getting a lot of membership.
We are getting a lot of memberships.
Yes.
I'm still eating.
I know. I'm fixing to get this one right now.
Okay. Well, we're gonna finish eating this and.
Yeah. As Steve would say, if this is not the best hot dips for your Super Bowl party,
if it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. You lefty.
I know.
You ever seen somebody with a left hand stir a dish?
Yes.
It'll drive you insane. The only good thing is I'm standing on this side and she can't elbow me. That's all.
Look how smooth that looks.
You make it look so pretty.
Yeah, now you're coming on with it. Look at that.
Look, eat it, Sheila.
Now we're on our number 3 hot dip. 1, 2, 3.
Hot dip. All right.
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.